In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Revolut Business Account Netherlands. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of each screen you'll see and the information you'll need to provide. So keep your official business details handy. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut Business. Click through to the official Revolut Business site and look for the option to create an account. Make sure you're on the business section, not the personal account page. When prompted, choose Netherlands as your country. This ensures your account is set up under the correct local requirements and currencies. Click Continue to move on. You'll be asked to select your legal business type. Pick the option that matches your registration, such as a sole trader, limited company, partnership, or nonprofit. This should reflect exactly how your business is registered. Click Continue. Enter your email address. Use a work email you can access easily and double check for typos. Click Continue, then head to your inbox to authorize the login from the message you receive. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Next, enter your phone number and make sure the correct country code is selected before you proceed. You'll receive a verification code. Enter the code carefully and avoid sharing it with anyone. Then create a strong password you can remember and store it in a secure password manager. You'll now provide some personal details. Enter your date of birth, then continue. Add your residential address exactly as it appears on your identification or a recent utility bill, and click Continue. Search for your business legal name and select the correct result. If it appears, then continue. You'll be prompted for business details, including your legal name exactly as registered, your official registration number, and the date of incorporation. For Dutch companies, this typically means your Chamber of Commerce number and the incorporation date shown in your registration documents. Click Continue. Enter your business address, city, and postcode. If your registered office is different from your trading address, use the registered office details as requested. Continue to the identity verification step. You'll now verify your identity. Choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport or national ID card. When ready, start the video recording and follow the prompts to capture your document and a short live selfie. Use good lighting and keep your document edges visible. Once you submit everything, Revolut will review your application. When your account is verified, you'll land on your dashboard and you're ready to start managing your business finances.